that's a second guy, hey. Okay, I got this clean, no. I was look at the video and I'll put in the description. I'm sorry that I don't have my phone on because I don't have a big build. But me, I do not know if you can buy a build for this. Hoover. Somewhere I hope you should be able to. Shut up, dog! Whoops. Yeah, I don't think a bar build. I might tell me can or cannot. I'm saying maybe you should be able to from the Hoover company. But the Hoover people like to make things impossible to pay stuff with, because I have been asking them, oh, I need a bill, I need a bag, or let's say I need a brush for my vacuum. He's like, you gotta take it to the service center. I'm like, really? I am a service center, you dumb people. I collect vacuums. I can do that myself. Like what I'm saying, see. That goes on. This is very nice though, eh? Cause my vacuum right there, the Bishop, I hate. I like that on these.
Here, hey there, Sunday afternoon. I'll put you back in your room. At the beach or at home, Grasshopper helps you grow your business. Download features of our
Oops, sorry. So I'm gonna wrap this down. And then to the divide, this will be done. Keep it short, my juggies.